Cash.
I'd like to pay in cash. She was always short of cash. We have a cash flow problem.
Castle.
This castle is beautiful. The castle is now in ruins. There used to be a castle on the hill.
Catch.
Take care not to catch cold. I advised her to catch a morning train. She didn't run fast enough to catch the bus.
Cause.
The storm caused a lot of damage. What was the cause of the explosion? The cause of the accident is unknown.
Ceiling.
Can you reach the ceiling? The ceiling of this house is going bad. The books were stacked from floor to ceiling.
Celebrate.
Let's celebrate your promotion. Celebrate what you've accomplished. She celebrated with a glass of champagne.
Celebration.
The birth of his son was a cause for celebration. By tradition, the celebration begins at midnight. Their wedding celebration is on December 20th.
Cell phone.
Her cell phone went bad because of the rain. They talked to each other on cell phone for hours. Could you please tell me your cell phone number?
Cent.
The price was 9 cents. She saved every cent possible. He was paid 40 cents an hour.
Center.
Where's the shopping center? Children like to be the center of attention. The bus will take you to the center of the city.
Century.
We are living in 21st century. A century ago, most people walked to work. The royal palace was built in the 17th century.
Ceremony.
It was a traditional ceremony. The ceremony began with his speech. Are you going to attend the ceremony?
Certainly.
That's certainly one possibility. He certainly deserves the award. I will certainly die if you don't call a doctor.
Certificate.
Everyone has a birth certificate. She has a certificate in teaching English. Each watch comes with a certificate of authenticity.
Chain.
My mother gave me a silver chain. She chained her bicycle to the railings. If you pull too hard, the chain will break.